Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit, where we explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the goldmine of AI automation agencies. Buckle up, let's get started. What if you could tap into a business model that's booming right now without needing to be a tech wizard? AI automation agencies are making waves, and here's why. From augmenting human productivity to replacing entire roles, AI is transforming businesses. But what exactly is an AI automation agency? And why is it considered the next big thing? Imagine a world where businesses large and small can leverage AI to reduce expenses and increase profits. That's the magic of AI automation agencies. From chatbots to content creation, these agencies use low-code or no-code tools. Making it accessible to anyone. But how did this all begin? And what's the potential? The success stories are astonishing. With profits soaring and businesses thriving. But what's the secret sauce? Let's explore. Here are the 4 key points that make AI automation agencies the goldmine they are today. One, a huge market opportunity. Almost every business can benefit from AI. And there's a growing need for solutions. Two, no skills needed. You don't need to be a coder. It's all about applying AI technologies creatively. 3, zero startup costs. With minimal risk and costs, it's a gateway for many aspiring entrepreneurs. 4. A compounding business model. Build credibility, charge more, and grow over time. It's a model that gets better with age. So, what's next for AI automation agencies? The future is bright with endless possibilities. From signing clients to servicing them, the journey is filled with excitement and innovation. Are you ready to explore this gold mine? Join the AI revolution and be part of something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us in this exciting exploration of AI automation agencies. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time, keep innovating.